A montage of New Zealand landscapes, including lush greenery, coastal scenes, and cultural symbols. Kia ora, everyone. Welcome back to Anne&Len's channel, the place where we explore the rich and diverse world of food. Today, we're taking a culinary journey to New Zealand, a country known for its stunning landscapes and unique cuisine. Our first stop is a traditional Maori method of cooking known as hangi. This ancient cooking technique involves preparing a feast in an earth oven, combining meats like lamb or pork, vegetables, and sometimes seafood. It's a celebration of flavors, tradition, and community. The hangi truly captures the essence of New Zealand's cultural heritage, bringing people together to share in a delicious feast cooked in harmony with the earth. Now let's satisfy our sweet tooth with pavlova. Named after the Russian ballet dancer Anna Pavlova, this meringue-based dessert is a culinary masterpiece. With a crisp exterior and a soft marshmallow-like interior, pavlova is typically adorned with whipped cream and a medley of fresh fruits. The pavlova is not just a dessert, it's a work of art, blending sweetness and elegance in every bite. Moving on to something naturally sweet, kiwi fruit. New Zealand is renowned for its kiwi fruit, known locally as kiwi. With its fuzzy brown skin and vibrant green flesh, this sweet and tangy fruit is a refreshing treat. Kiwi fruit isn't just a staple, it's a taste of New Zealand's orchards and a burst of flavor in every slice. Now let's talk about a true Kiwi classic, lamb. New Zealand is famous for its high-quality lamb, and dishes like roast lamb or lamb chops are common in local cuisine. The flavors of New Zealand lamb are unparalleled, a testament to the country's commitment to quality and sustainable farming. With its extensive coastline, seafood plays a significant role in New Zealand's culinary scene. Green-lipped mussels, paua, abalone, and various fish species are among the coastal treasures enjoyed here. From the ocean to your plate, New Zealand's seafood offerings are a true taste of the sea. Next up, we have kumara, a sweet potato variety that's a staple in Kiwi kitchens. Whether roasted, mashed, or incorporated into various dishes, kumara has a sweet flavor and a distinctive orange color. Kumara adds a unique touch to New Zealand dishes, bringing warmth and sweetness to the table. Time for a treat. Enter hokey pokey ice cream, a popular flavor in New Zealand. This delightful ice cream features small, crunchy toffee pieces that add a perfect texture to the creamy goodness. Hokey pokey ice cream is a classic Kiwi indulgence, capturing the essence of childhood summers and pure delight. Now, let's explore a unique delicacy, whitebait. These tiny, immature fish are often served in a simple omelette, showcasing the purity of New Zealand's waters. Whitebait may be small, but its flavor is mighty, creating a culinary experience that's truly one of a kind. Shifting gears to something with historical significance, Anzac biscuits. These oat cookies with coconut and golden syrup have a special place in New Zealand's culinary heritage, harking back to the days of the Australian and New Zealand Army Corps during World War I. Anzac biscuits are more than a tasty treat. They're a symbol of resilience and camaraderie. Finally, let's wrap up our culinary tour with a sip of flat white coffee. While not a dish, this popular coffee beverage made with espresso and steamed milk is a Kiwi favorite. The flat white is more than just coffee. It's a comforting ritual, a moment of warmth in every cup. That concludes our journey through the flavors of New Zealand. From traditional hangi feasts to iconic desserts and everyday delights, Kiwi cuisine is a celebration of culture and taste. If you enjoyed this culinary adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious explorations. Until next time, kia ora and happy eating.